Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be talking about on how you can get Spider Man Remastered on your PS5. Now, Spider Man Remastered is a different game on its own, and when I say different game on its own, meaning it's got better graphics, it's got better optimization, it's got more fluidity as well as more animations. So basically, what I'm trying to say is more work went into making this game. So you won't be getting this game for free. You will have to pay a premium to get this game, and in order to get it on your PS5, you will have to pay for it. So I think you can get a discount if you obviously own PS5. So all you gotta do is go into the PSN store, search for Spider-Man, go onto the Spider-Man Remastered store page, buy it, and that's about it. Now you can experience Spider-Man in the ultimate quality. I mean, look at this ray tracing, man. The ray tracing is... yeah, I do have ray tracing unlocked. I mean, opened up, and this is absolutely just...
all units, we've got another break-in in progress. Report
it's amazing.
Over.
I'm speechless, you know, like it's so good. It's so good. I'm speechless. Look at these tiny little, like, bro. I can't speak. The game's amazing. With that being said, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.